All right, guys, we're going to make groups of objects. We're going to make sets of objects. So, for example, I'm going to say a number, and we're going to make a group of Lego men for that number. So the number 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. Now let's make a set of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, let's make a group of 2. 1, 2. Let's count 1, 2. Good, very good job. Now let's make a set of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's use the blocks. Let's make a group of 1. What? That was easy. 1. Good. Now let's make a group of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. All right. Next, let's make a group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, guys. Let's make sure that we find an object that we can use, like Legos or Cheerios or paper clips or anything that's small that we can use, and we can count and make groups. Okay. All right, guys. See you later.